Hello and welcome to Managing a Site with Multi-Site Manager. My name is Gary Thane, and in this video we're going to look at one of the fundamental concepts of Multi-Site Manager called live copy. After completing this training, you should be able to create a live copy, perform a rollout operation. So a live copy is one of the cornerstones of Multi-Site Manager, and it's the creation of a new site based on the content and structure of an existing site. Changes or additions to the main site can then be rolled out to the various live copies, that way simplifying management of pages across a number of websites with little effort. So let's start with some basics. A live copy can be created from a blueprint or even from an existing page or site. In both the cases, inheritance, the relationship between the source and the copy, is maintained. What you decide to use, a blueprint or just a live copy, depends on the complexity and the number of live copies you plan on managing. Live copies can be created for a page or a tree of pages. There's no formal requirement on the source page structure. Blueprints target the rollout of complete websites, and there are accompanying tools to automate rollouts and manage the live copies. A blueprint requires a certain structure to the source site. It has to have one root level page. Either way, you end up working with live copy and a source, or various live copies. However, starting from a blueprint gives you more control for managing the sites. In this video, we're going to focus on creating a simple live copy from an existing site and then roll out some changes to modify the source. So let's begin with something simple. We'll create a live copy. So let's go to Sites in AEM. In Adobe Experience Manager, click on the Adobe Experience Manager link, and then select Sites. First thing we'll do is we'll create a folder to hold our new copies that we're going to be creating. So I'm just going to go up here to Create Folder, and we'll name the folder LC for Live Copies, and click Create. Next, we're going to create a live copy. So for that, we're going to go to Create Again, and we have two choices here, Sites or Live Copy. If we select Sites, we're going to be actually creating it from a blueprint, but in this case, we're going to select Live Copy. So that's going to open up the Create Live Copy wizard, where we'll have three sections to fill out. First section is, what are we actually copying? So I'm going to just pick the Geometrics demo site, and I'll select the English page. That will be our live copy source. Click Next. For destination, I'm going to pick our LC folder. And finally, we'll provide a name for our live copy. In this case, I'm just going to call it Demo Live Copy. And for the name, Demo hyphen. Now, if I didn't want to include all of its sub-pages, I could just check this. And I'm also going to pick a standard rollout and config as the config rules for rolling out this page. And after I've done that, I'm going to click Create, and that will generate my live copy for me. Once it's generated, just select Done for now, and that will bring you back to Sites. Go into the LC folder. You'll see that your demo live copy has been built. Just select that, and then select Edit. So your live copy opens up. You can see that the content and the structure has been copied, as well as all of the design files and all of the child pages as well. So now that our live copy has been created, I want to go in and modify the source and then roll out those changes to that live copy. So let's go back to AEM. And in AEM, I'm going to leave my demo live copy open. I'll just go to AEM Sites. I'm going to go to the Geometrics demo site. I'll select the English page, select Edit. And in this page, what I'm going to do is just modify the world leader in applied geometry, the title. And I'm just going to add the title of 2016 and click OK to save the changes. You'll notice that when I click on this component, I can actually do a rollout directly from the component, or I could also do it from the page. There's lots of different places that you can actually call your rollout. You can also automate this. In our case, I'm just going to go back to my component, select rollout, and I can just do a general rollout. The config that I've selected will take care of all the actual properties, what it's rolling out to. Or if I wanted to be a bit more selective, I could select rollout to, which I just selected, and you'll see that we're going to roll out to our demo live copy. I'll select the check mark to roll it out. I see that it's been rolled out successfully. And if I go back to my demo live copy and I simply do a refresh of the page, I'll see that this has been updated as well. So to summarize, you should now be able to create a live copy, perform a rollout operation. Thank you for watching.